Hello guys, my name is Balakrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video, we write a Python program to convert the case of characters in a string. And this question is also listed in the list of suggested practical Python programs for CBSE Class 11, Class 12 computer science students. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only 2 to 3 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. And one more thing before I start is I teach coding in Hindi as well on a separate Code with BK Hindi channel. So this Code with BK was the first channel that I started in 2018, and then I had a lot of requests to teach in Hindi. For that I started a separate channel. So content in Java, Python, ICSC, ISC, a lot of it is there on this Code with BK Hindi channel. So if you guys could maybe spare 5 minutes, please check out the channel. I would love to know your reviews about this. Okay, so we are given a string and we have to convert the case of characters in the string. This is the first case, this is the second case. So in this case, all uppercase characters are changed to lowercase, and similarly all lowercase characters are changed to corresponding uppercase. So uppercase C goes to lowercase c, uppercase W goes to lowercase w, uppercase BK goes to lowercase, and same with the lowercase characters here that go into uppercase. The non-letter characters remain the same. Okay, for example, in the second case, 1 5 remains the same, space remains the same, comma, space remains the same, digits remain the same. Okay, all right. So how do I solve this? Is if I'm given a string code with BK. Okay, I say my converted string, CS for short, starts with a blank. I'm going to iterate my string from left to right and pick up each character in each iteration. Okay, first I check if CH, okay, if CH is alphabet, that is if it is a letter. I then check if this is lowercase, okay, convert to uppercase. Okay, else if this is uppercase, convert to lowercase. Okay, and then append the converted character to the string. Else if it is not an alphabet, append ch to cs as it is. Okay, convert to uppercase and append to cs to the string that we start from blank. Okay, and append to cs. Okay, so if ch is alphabet, I check if it is lowercase. If it is lowercase, I convert to uppercase and convert it to append it to cs. Else if it is uppercase, if it is not lowercase, it will be uppercase. I convert it to lowercase, append it to cs. Else if it is not an alphabet, I append cs to cs as it is. This is for the non-letter characters. Okay, so I write a function def convert case, takes a string str. Okay, I start with a blank string, I iterate the original string. Now if this character is a letter, so you can use the inbuilt function ch dot is alpha. Okay, returns true if the string is an alphabetic string, false otherwise. And we don't have a separate character type in Python, just as we have it in C, C++, and Java. A character in Python is just a string with a single character inside. Okay, so this is basically picking up each character, which is a string containing one single character, and ch will be alphabetical if it contains a letter. Okay, so this condition is true if this is lowercase. Okay, so if ch dot is lower, using the inbuilt method again, I say convert ch to uppercase and append to ch. So ch plus equal to ch dot upper. Okay, this is converting ch to uppercase and appending it to the cs, the converted string that we start from blank. Else if this is uppercase. Okay, so else part will be uppercase because this is a letter, not a lowercase, so an uppercase. Okay, so letters can be either uppercase or lowercase. So I say convert it to lowercase and append to string. You can say convert to uppercase, append to string. So I say cs dot lower. Okay, take my pointer here, returns a copy of the string converted to lowercase. Okay, similarly returns a copy of the string converted to uppercase. Okay, else if this character is not a letter, if it is a digit or something, a special character or space, I append it to cs as it is. Ch. Okay, append it to cs as it is. All right, and finally return the converted string, return cs. All right, so I'm going to take an input string. I'll say enter a string. Okay, I'm going to then print the original string, okay, and s, and then I'm also going to print the converted string. Let me make them align together, and the return value of convert case, or you can say, okay, and pass s. Okay, so this is the code. Let me run this. I'll say python 3 convert case, enter a string. I'll start with my first sample case. Okay, so all uppercase characters C, W, B, K are changed to lowercase characters. All lowercase characters O, D, E, I, T, H are changed to uppercase characters. Exclamation mark is not a letter, remains the same. The next input case was 1947. So you see 15th, 15, 947, 947, this space, comma space, all remains the same. They're not letters. This lowercase th changes to corresponding uppercase. Uppercase A changes to lowercase, lowercase UG changes to uppercase. All right, and this is your solution to convert the case of a string in Python. Okay, so this was the solution, and there are other solutions from this list already added on this channel, and also coded in Hindi and solved and uploaded on my CodeWithBK in Hindi channel. The links for all that you can find in the description of this video, so make sure that you check out the description of this video. Okay, so if you have any doubt, there's a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can also let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.